We're here at Margaritaville Vacation Club at Desert Blue, a Club Wyndham property, and we're staying in a 1-bedroom deluxe unit. Let's head on inside and check it out right after this. All right, we're just outside our door here. And before I head inside to take a look at this 1-bedroom deluxe unit, I do want to point out kind of the hallway here is decorated really cool. You have different kind of Margaritaville or Parrot Head type sayings on the wall, kind of beach themed artwork up and down, as well as some Vegas artwork on the wall down here as well. So really cool vibes here in the hallway. But now let's head inside our unit. We're going to take a look at the 1-bedroom villa, Margaritaville Vacation Club here at Desert Blue. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, here we are, just coming into the 1-bedroom deluxe unit, Margaritaville here at Club Wyndham Desert Blue in Las Vegas. The first area we come into is the kitchen and dining room. Over here you just have kind of 4 chairs and a table. It does have some neat kind of Margaritaville-like artwork on the wall here. And then in the kitchen, well, you do have kind of a full-size refrigerator. Let's see if it has an ice maker. It sure does, and it's got lots of ice in it as well. You also have your standard refrigerator. You do have a pitcher back there as well. And up here, well, there's a big kind of, I guess it's a pitcher, maybe I guess it's an ice bucket, but you could store some margaritas in that maybe. And then over here, well, looks like a number of baking dishes. You have a measuring cup and some bowls. And then down here, well, you have a toaster, a knife block. You do have your oven with 4-burner cooktop, and then a microwave here as well. Let's see, looks like we have a blender up here and a colander. So just a regular blender. We'll take a look at something a little more cool in just a moment. Then in here, well, you have glassware, at least some plastic glasses and some wine glasses. And here, well, you do have dinnerware, it looks like for 6 people. And then over here, some more glasses. Those are probably going to come in handy when you use this down here. One of those Margaritaville mixers. You can blend up the perfect frozen concoction in the Margaritaville mixer that they have in the room. You also have kitchen sink here. And then let's see what we got in these drawers. Well, it's where you're going to find silverware. There's some measuring spoons in there. Then it looks like here, well, we have a wine opener, bottle opener, and a can opener there too. Some additional kind of cooking utensils. You have a vegetable peeler, you have an ice cream scoop and cheese grater. And then well, down there you just have a cutting board. I'm sure underneath here, well, you're gonna have some kitchen supplies. You have a scrub mommy, some trash bags, and some dishwashing detergent. Then over here, well, it's a dishwasher. Now making our way into the living room, well, you do have a sofa. It looks like a pretty big sofa with a chaise. Now the sofa looks like it's in pretty bad shape. Got some scuffs on it. It's generally kind of worn, kind of a little dirty. I'm not too sure about that. Some more kind of Vegas related artwork on the wall. And I'm pretty sure the sofa actually pulls out into a sleeper, and it sure does. Some more artwork over here on the wall. Paradise Lost, Paradise Found. And well, you have a chair there and kind of a coffee table here too with some fake kind of plants here. And we actually have a view out here to kind of the strip. We can see the Las Vegas Strip over there. You have Caesar's Palace and you have Bellagio all the way down kind of the south end of the Strip, and the Rio right there as well. Then over here, a Samsung television, and then a kind of a place to maybe put some electronics, store a few things. And now before we head into the bedroom, we'll take a look at the bathroom. As we do, we're gonna go past this little tiny skinny closet, ironing board, and maybe a place to store a couple of things. It's kind of really skinny kind of closet there. Then into the bathroom here, you do have single vanity in here. You have your Roots hand soap and body lotion. Big mirror there. Toilet, towels, all that stuff you need. Kind of a small walk-in shower here. This isn't really all that big. Not a lot of room in here. But you do have your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the wall. Then across from that, well, that's where you're gonna find the in-room laundry. Definitely great thing and handy thing to have in your unit. And then here you have another single vanity. So great to have kind of dual and separate vanities. And then over here, well, we're gonna find kind of a small jetted tub. Then making our way into the bedroom here, well, you do have a king size bed, a couple of nightstands, and something I noticed here, it's kind of sloppy. These nightstands, well, They have exposed USB and electrical outlets, but I would have expected those to be on the opposite side. So it's almost like they have these two kind of nightstands backwards. This one that's over here should be on the other side of the bed. So those electrical outlets and USB are kind of facing in towards the bed. Then I also noticed they have this great big huge kind of alarm clock CD player from Bose. It's really big. It's really kind of in the way. That's probably going to get moved. And then down here, well, they have what looks like a power strip with a whole bunch of things plugged into it. I don't know, just not enough power here. I guess they have that, and then they have these lights that are on the wall or on the headboard for kind of for reading. And then of course, this here also has to plug in somewhere too. So they essentially have 4 things right here that need to be plugged in. Kind of a bit of a nuisance and a little odd to have kind of a power strip down there. But then as we go over here, well, we have that other nightstand. Then just to look back to the bathroom there. And then here, television up above, kind of a small chest of drawers. Then also in the bedroom here, well, you have a small closet, place to store some things, and then as well as your in-room safe. And then we also have a view down to the pool here at Desert Blue. Looks like kind of a neat pool, but when we walked through it earlier, we thought it kind of looked kind of plain, kind of ordinary, but looks much better from up above here. If you want to see another video from here at Desert Blue, well, take a look at this video right here. That's going to be a full resort tour, so check that out. Coming up next. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.